Guys, IIM Kozhikode have just uploaded their report on Times of India about their batch size and everything. So let's look at the report. So this year IIM Kozhikode is taking 492 students. Yeah, out of them there are 52 girls. 52% of them are girls, 256 girls. So they have crossed 50% barrier, which very few people can do that. So that's the thing we have, are women in the college. Thus out now numbering the men who maxed out in the most B school. On average today in India 25 to 30% are girls, whereas in IIM Kozhikode we have now 50% plus girls at the college. Yeah, and then soon the batch is going to start in August obviously, but this is a report they have released. Yeah, interestingly 60 seats were reserved for the girls in 2019. Last year 60 seats were reserved for girls at IIM Kozhikode, but with the astonishing result the female applicants went up and it was not needed this year. Only last year they have done that, but this year it was not required. Another milestone with which they have approached is 40% of the batch are coming from the non-engineering background. Architecture, art, science, commerce, management, all together. Medicine will be 40%. 60% are engineer. Now those engineers think, "Arey yaar, हमारे साथ क्या हो रहा है? Only 60% engineer." But still, yeah, 60% are there na. Imagine commerce का यार. Commerce, suppose commerce is around 5%. How will the commerce guy will feel? There are only 5% of them. We are still 60%. Yeah, please don't get demotivated by that. Try to be in this 60%. Yeah. The class will be academically mixed professional degrees. CA as well are coming for the camp. CA, CS and CFA is 10% of the batch, which is obviously a huge number. And interestingly, North Indian 35% are North Indian, 28% South Indian, 14% from the West, 13% from the East, Central and Eastern India is 5% and 2%. So surprisingly, those who think अरे South में कौन जाएगा MBA करने, look at here, more North Indian are going to South for their MBA. So that's a very good batch profile we have at IIM Kozhikode. Now look at the placement report. Highest salary is 58 lakhs. Average CTC is 23 lakh. Median salary 20.8 lakhs. So average is 20. So all these people are going to get a 23 lakh package. So this is always, I love to see that. Top 50% of the batch have got 26 lakh package. Average is 23, but top 50% have got 26 package. Top 25% is getting 31 lakh package, and top 5% is getting a 40 lakh package. So if you're in the top 25% of the batch, you are earning a salary at par with IIM Ahmedabad. So out of 125 students, out of a batch of approximately 500, will be getting a package of 31 lakh. The only trouble which I can feel is the intake have now gone up from 413 to 489. So this intake is going to be a little problem to get everybody placed. So you have to now work extra hard. After going to the college, you have to work hard to get the top job. Yep. So how you feel about the college? So this is obviously ranked in the top 10 B school in the country. ctking.com/top. I have given you the list of the top colleges. You can check out the list. So gender diversity tick, average salary tick more than 20 lakh, and 40% non-engineers. So this college have all the tick in the boxes, and you can keep that in mind while preparing for your MBA. Yep. How you feel about the college? Please do comment. All the best.